everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I've got tiramisu on my mind, but I just don't want to get into a whole project making a giant casserole dessert. So today I've decided to make tiramisu cupcakes with all the wonderful flavors of classic tiramisu, but way less fuss. Moist vanilla cupcakes soaked with coffee syrup, iced with tiramisu swirl icings, and even a fancy chocolate decoration to make everyone think you've spent days on this project. Believe me, it can all be done in just a couple of hours, so check out how to do it. First, we have to make my famous light and fluffy vanilla cake recipe. It's a simple creaming method recipe, and I go into all the detail on how to make that recipe from start to finish. If you click the links below this video, you will get everything that you need. So bake that batter into cupcakes, and while they are baking, you can make the coffee simple syrup. Simple syrup is just that. It's a syrup made from boiling water and sugar, and it takes on all the flavors under the sun. So of course, for traditional tiramisu, it's not only getting coffee, but a good dose of rum and Kahlua too. For those who don't do alcohol, no problem, you could just leave that part out. But for those who don't do coffee, tiramisu is not for you. So let's move on to the icing part for these cupcakes, and I am using 3 different icings, which I know sounds like a lot of work, but the cream cheese icing is literally 3 ingredients and it gets mixed by hand. I do like to add a bit of buttercream to my cream cheese icing for stability, and because I made a recipe of mocha buttercream, that was a 2-for-1 special right there. The ganache icing is so easy, it's just another super simple recipe with just 2 ingredients, boiled up plant milk with chocolate, done and done. So once your cupcakes are cooled, you're going to give them a really good soaking of this coffee-infused syrup, and then with the swirl technique, you've got instant perfection for swirling those 3 icings together. Go ahead and ice them up, and then a sprinkle of cocoa powder on top and those chocolate decorations. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how to make the chocolate decorations, and it's really so easy. You just need some tempered chocolate and a piece of parchment paper, and you just go ahead and make some really cool designs. I do have a video that I'll link at the end on how to make a parchment paper cone. It's a pretty valuable thing to learn for those who are even just a little bit serious about cake making. As usual, I have all the links to the recipes and everything that I'm using below this video in the box. So yeah, I really hope you're going to want to try these cupcakes. They are not as difficult as they may seem if you just organize yourself and make everything in advance. The assembly of these cupcakes is a breeze and actually really fun. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video. A great big special shout out real quick to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for making all of this possible. Your monthly support is what keeps me buying ingredients to test and create all of these recipes, so thanks is just really never enough. If you think you can help support the channel for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. Of course, a great big thank you to everyone for watching and liking and subscribing and sharing my videos, and also commenting below really makes my day, and it lets me know who's here with me. So give me a hello down below, and until next time, happy vegan baking, guys. Bye for now.